Okay, I got a bunch of these little ATVs covered up here. I bought these for parts. This one right here, I'm thinking about seeing if I could put a Honda 6.5 horsepower engine on it. Because somebody's took the spark plug and the carburetor off of it, and I think the motor's locked up in it. I think that went to the throttle. Don't know about the clutch. I mean the choke. But looks like the front brakes still work on it. Somebody's let's see here. Oh yeah, this must go to the rear brake. Maybe I can find one of these handles. Maybe I could use something from a bicycle. I don't know what all else has been robbed off this thing. They've really hacked the wiring on it. It'd be a nightmare trying to figure out how to get this thing running again. So, I think that's what I might do. But it looks like it's pretty much complete. If I can figure out how to get this chain made up to a Honda engine I've got, might just be the way to go. If anybody knows anything about these Linhai Rebel 80s, let me know. Thank you.